Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video, Asian Paints downgrade, what should investors do now? Few weeks back, we had made a video on the continuous underperformance of Asian Paints. And this video is an update on that particular video because many channel members and workshop graduates may be holding Asian Paints, and today there are some more updates about Asian Paints. Foreign brokerage company CLSA have downgraded Asian Paint stock from its earlier buy rating to sell rating due to the expected increased competition from Birla Opus of Grasim Industries. CLSA has cut the target price of Asian Paints from 3,215 to 2,425. This translates to a downside of 16% from today's price. This is also the lowest target given by any brokerage firm for Asian Paints. The brokerage company believes that Asian Paints is likely to emerge as a leader after the consolidation of Grasim's business in the next 2 years or so, but it is uncertain about how things will be in the future. For financial year 2024-25 and 2025-26, it expects a growth in net profit by only 10%, and its profit margins are likely to be impacted by the new competition in the short term. Around 3 years back, Grasim Industries had announced that they will start their paints business, and last week they formally launched it. They plan to invest a total of Rs 10,000 crores to set up manufacturing plants, out of which 4,900 crores has already been invested. The company has set a target for paints business to reach profitability in the next 3 years and also cross a revenue figure of 10,000 crores in the next 3 years. Some brokerage companies believe that despite Grasim entering paints business, Asian Paints will be less affected compared to Berger Paints and the other small paint companies. Asian Paints' latest target price after Birla Opus launch. Brokerage company CLSA given a rating of sell and the target price is 2,425. Difference from the current price minus 16%. Goldman Sachs neutral rating, target price 2,850. Difference from the current price around 1% minus. Investec sell rating, target price 2,755 and difference from the current price minus 4%. Prabhudas Lilladher reduce is the rating they have given, target price 2,702, difference from the current price minus 6%. Macquarie is the only company which is very positive on Asian Paints. They have given an outperform rating and target price is 4,000 rupees per share. That is around 39% higher from today's price. Asian Paints analysts rating summary. Buy rating, number of analysts which are given are only 9, hold ratings 12, sell ratings 16 analysts have given of different brokerage companies. Total 37 analysts or 37 brokerage firms are covering Asian Paints. Due to the downgrade by many brokerage companies, Asian Paints shares fell by almost 4% today. Asian Paints share price is at the same level as in May 2021. It has given negligible returns for investors in the last 3 years. More than the deterioration of performance of Asian Paints, the perception that competition will negatively impact it has affected the share price performance. Experts believe that it will not be easy for the new companies to gain significant market share. The new companies such as Birla Opus, JSW Paints, etc. may struggle for 5 to 6 years to establish their brand and dealers network. But the sentiment is very negative for Asian Paints and the other companies operating in the paint sector. Stock performance of paint companies. Asian Paints 1 year returns 9%, 3 years 9% per annum, 5 years 16% per annum. Berger Paints 1 year returns 23%, 3 years returns 0, 5 years returns 18% per annum. Kansai Nerolac 8% is the 1 year returns, 3 years returns minus 7% per annum and 5 years returns 0. What should long-term investors do? Such decisions need to be taken based on individuals' risk appetite, time horizon of investment and confidence in a company. We can only state what we plan to do personally. As of now, Asian Paints is 7% of our portfolio. We do not propose to sell now. We will wait and see how the competition performs and how Asian Paints faces the competition. If Asian Paints share is part of your portfolio, it would be between 5 to 10% of your total investment if you have diversified properly. So it would not be a significant portion of your portfolio. There is no right answer on such decisions. The future is uncertain when there is a lot of change in the industry due to more competition or technology change, etc. If you have been doing SEP in Asian Paint shares, the decision has to be taken once again based on a risk appetite and holding period. The risk is that you continue to do SEP and continues to underperform for a few years while other stocks may do well. Or if things do not turn out as bad as expected, you may make a decent to good profit in the long term. Please note that if you are going to blindly take decisions in stock market based on anybody's opinion about stocks, then you are not capable of investing in direct stocks and your knowledge is insufficient. You need to be able to take independent decisions. That's the time you become more confident. That's the time you will be successful. We see 90% investors in this category where they take decisions only because somebody else is doing the same. If you like this video, please click the like button. And what is your decision on Asian Paint share? Hold but not invest further, buy more and also hold, and then sell. Which one do you prefer? You can mention in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.